Welcome to Traction, Comprehensive Driver Safety Management, powered by NECS. Traction is a newly launched service providing companies with integrated tools to monitor and manage driver performance. This best-in-class tool is a self-contained safety management system, helping companies to reduce risk. Within Traction, organizations have a single source to manage and store driver files and records. Gain a complete picture of driver behavior and driver performance through the combination of motor vehicle reports with that of CSA 2010. Identify and more closely monitor high-risk drivers. Use real-time reports and interactive charting to quickly dive down into the organization to identify problems and opportunities. Build, sort, filter, and export reports to Microsoft Excel, and further reduce risk with interactive driver training. The first part of any safety management plan is to consolidate and organize driver records and files for both commercial and non-commercial drivers. Traction is therefore fully integrated into NECS's proprietary Driver Profile Management System, or DPMS. Traction provides the ability to store and manage basic driver information quickly and easily. Optionally, when combining Traction with DPMS, companies can manage all facets of driver compliance, including qualification requirements like medical cards, pre-employment data, road tests, etc. Within DPMS, you can manage dates and records, upload files and images, and track compliance across the organization. This first phase of safety management is critical to expertly improving your regulatory compliance, awareness of driver behaviors, and in driving positive change in the safety culture within an organization. Once your organization has consolidated driver record management, you can assign custom settings to optimize performance. The optimization tools available within Traction begin by identifying high-risk drivers through MVR adjudication and CSA 2010 scoring. Through this customizable grading matrix, companies can establish performance grades that are automatically applied as MVRs are processed. The results then help to identify high-risk drivers based on previous driving history. Further, we combine MVRs with a driver's CSA 2010 points contribution. A quick and easy display like this is helpful so companies can ascertain just where a driver stands within the organization. The next tool to optimize the performance of your drivers is to use real-time information. Now, no company today offers 50-state fleet monitoring. In the absence of this capability, Traction allows you to set selectively the frequency by which you'd like to run MVRs. This is a substantial advantage. This benefits companies in two ways. First, companies can selectively choose to run high-risk drivers more frequently, giving them better, more real-time information. Two, companies don't have to run MVRs on a more frequent basis across the entire organization, saving them substantial dollars. The final tool to optimize safety performance is customized communications. Traction sends email reminders for compliance documentation days in advance of MVR processing, as well as notifications pertaining to MVR results and CSA 2010 scores. These communications help companies respond to issues quicker, as well as improve compliance. Now, let's dive into the third area, business reporting. Traction provides real-time interactive reporting across the organization using interactive drill-down charts that allow you to move from the highest levels to the lowest levels quickly and easily. In this example here, the pie chart indicates that 73% of MVRs processed have a clear grade. When you click on the pie chart, you'll see a bar chart to the right that populates by location. You can then slice and dice this information in a variety of ways. Drill down to get an instant list of all the drivers that meet your criteria. You can then build quick and easy reports, sorting, grouping, filtering, and then exporting to Microsoft Excel. There are additional reports available to provide information in different formats. Here you can see the driver report by grade with buttons for each of the MVR grades. Simply click on a button to bring up the drivers that meet that criteria. Again, simple sorting, filtering, and grouping with the capability to export to Excel. Similarly, the MVR violations report shows the violations available by category. Again, clicking on each of the buttons brings a list of the drivers that meet those criteria. No reporting system is complete without incorporating CSA 2010. There are a number of reports available for CSA 2010 scoring. All the reports are broken down by DOT number with the option to roll up to the company or to filter by regions, districts, terminals, etc. They're grouped by basic measures, by drivers, by violations, and by vehicles. Importantly, they also incorporate trend. In this example here, you can see trend for a basic measure over time. This is important because CSA only calculates the most recent 24 months. However, Traction has the capability to archive this data over time. Likewise, there are additional measures to give you more immediate trends. In this example here, the report shows the number of new points added for the particular month, as well as the points that will fall off of your CSA score next month, and what that does in relation to the threshold for each basic measure. These graphical reports, again, help to identify and drill down from the highest levels to the lowest levels without a PhD. From a driver perspective, you'll be able to see where each driver falls from the total number of points by basic measure, as well as their rank within the company by CSA points contribution, as well as a distribution of points by drivers. All in all, the CSA reporting module is a perfect complement to MVR reporting, giving you the complete picture of driver performance. The final component of Traction is online driver training. This was developed to help companies respond to issues identified from the reporting tools we just discussed. Managers can quickly and easily assign training modules by individual or by entire location, region, district, etc. Each course is 20 to 30 minutes in length. The courses are highly interactive. Let me give you an example of that. Now, at the conclusion of each course, drivers are required to demonstrate their learning through a 20-question exam. The exam is formatted to require multiple different types of answers. Upon completion, drivers receive a score. Successful completion is then documented within Traction, while unsuccessful attempts require drivers to try again. While we've merely scratched the surface with this video preview, we encourage you to find more information online at www.drivertraction.com or call us at 800-348-3242 for a customized demonstration and more in-depth discussion about driver safety management.